Okay, boys and girls, so today we are going to go ahead and we are going to begin our third day of number talks. So let's look at this first problem. We have 22 plus 18. Oh, I love the use of our hand signals. Okay, I see a couple are still thinking. Okay, Jose, would you like to give me an answer?
40.
Okay, Jose got 40. Do I have any other answers? Okay, so a lot of people are agreeing with Jose. Do I have any other answers though? Jorge?
I forgot.
You forgot?
Yeah.
Would you like to look at your problem again? Okay, look at the problem again. Do I have any other answers?
Wait,
No, ma'am.
Okay, so Jorge said that he agrees with Jose. So we have 40. Now, although we all got the same answer, we could have all gotten different strategies. So, Emily, would you like to tell me a strategy that you used to get 40?
First, I went to the ones place and I ate one. I mean, 8 and 2.
Okay, so Emily used her knowledge of
8 plus 2.
not well, yes, 8
Number
plus 2,
6.
but place value. Yes, place value. She used her the ones place and added the ones places together in both numbers to get
10.
10. Then what did you do, Emily?
Then I put 20
20
plus 10
plus 10
equals 30.
equals 30. How did you know to put 20 and not put 2?
Because 2 is in the tens place and 1 in the ones place.
Okay, 2 is in the 10th place. Therefore, the value is 20. Correct. Okay, what did you do after that?
I put 30 and 10 and it got 40.
Okay. So she said that she added the two numbers together, 30 and 10, and she got a sum of 40. Okay. Did anyone use any different strategies, any other strategies? Haiti?
22 and 18 going down.
Okay.
Then I added the 1.
Okay, so what did you get when you added the ones?
And so I added that 10 to the 10th place.
Okay.
And then 20 plus 10 equals 30. And then I added the 10 and 40.
Okay. So Haiti got 40 and she just used the traditional algorithm. Yes, ma'am.
I used the T-chart.
Okay, Abby used a T-chart. And so what does our T-chart look like?
It's a cross with a T and an O. I can't see.
Okay, so she had like a cross with a T on the left side and an O on the right side. And what did you do with underneath the O?
I put 8 for 18.
Okay, so she said she put an 8 for 18.
No, 8 dots for 18.
Oh, just 8 dots. Okay, so like this, 1, 2, 3, 4.
5, 6.
Okay, so 8.
Then I added 2 more.
Okay.
2 more to it. Because
Where did you get the 2?
from the 22 less than the 1 place.
Okay.
Then I put 1 in the 10th place from 18.
Okay.
1 dot.
1 dot.
Then I put 2 dots for 22.
Okay.
Then
So did you?
I added 3 plus 8.
3 plus 8. Where did you get?
3 plus 8. 3 plus 11.
So you added 3 plus 11, and what did you get? Why did you add 3 plus 11? Okay, so I will erase.
I did it. Then I added 8 plus 2.
Oh, so you added 8 plus 2, and what did you get when you added 8
10.
plus? Okay, so is there anything that we can do with that 10?
You can add it with 20.
Okay,
And the 1.
so we can go ahead
Turn into a 10.
and make a new 10.
20 plus 10.
Okay. So then what do we do?
30 plus 10 equals 40.
Okay, so she counted, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in the tens, 4 dots in the tens, and we know that the value of 4 is 40. So that's how Abby got 40. Okay, I think that we have time for one more. So let me do our third check mark. And let's do 17 plus 28. Who would be willing to tell us about 17 plus 20? I want you to solve it. I'm looking for those number signals. Those number talk hand signals. And remember, we are doing 17 plus 28.
Oh, I did that. How is it? Oh,
Okay, remember when you have your answer, it's a thumbs up. Okay, I see a lot of thumbs. Preston, tell me what you got.
48. Not 48, 45 I meant.
Okay, you said that you have 45.
Yes.
Okay. Do I have any other answers?
35.
35. Are there any other answers? Anything different from 45 and 35, DeAndre?
46.
46.
Wait, can I actually change my answer?
You want to change your answer. So you answered 35, right?
Yes.
What would you like to change your answer to?
I'll change it into a 33.
33. Okay, do we have any other answers?
Oh,
Are we good? Would you like 31? Yes, ma'am.
35.
35. Okay, so we have 5 different answers up here. Now, the person who got 33, would you like to share your strategy?
Yes.
Okay.
First, I added the 8 plus 7,
Okay, so you added the 8 plus 7.
and I got 13.
Okay, so you added the 8 plus 7, why?
Because it was in the one.
Because they were in the ones, so you used your understanding of place value. And what did you get when you added 8 plus 7?
I got 13.
Okay, and how did you get that number?
I counted up.
I want you to count up again. Starting at 8, count up.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh.
Okay, so would you like to, okay, so we're gonna strike our answer. And what was your answer, 33?
Yes.
Okay. So we striked that one. Are we all in agreement with that?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, how about the person who got 45?
Me. That was me.
Okay, Emily, would you like to share a strategy that you used to get 45? You used a T-chart, okay. And how did this T-chart look? Correct? Okay.
And the first I put 8 in the ones place.
Okay, so you say you put 8 in the ones place, and where did you get the 8 from?
From put 2 in the tens place.
Okay, so you put 2 in the tens place. And how did you get that 2?
28.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
And then at the bottom, I put 7 ones from 17.
Okay, so you said that you put 7 ones. And then, did you do anything else?
Then I added 7 plus 8,
So you added 7 plus 8. And what did you get when you added 7 plus 8?
15.
Okay, you got 15. So what does this do to the T-chart?
Erase all the ones and add 10.
Okay. Do I have any left over?
No.
Okay, what do I do with the 10?
I add that one to the tens.
Okay.
Then 17, I put that 1 in the tens place. Actually, I did have some in the ones.
Okay, so that's that's a common thing that we all struggle with sometimes. Instead of making our 10 and then, making sure that we have those leftovers still in the ones, we forget about the leftovers. We forget about those leftovers. So how many would we have still in the ones?
5.
We'd still have 5. Okay.
And then I counted all the tens.
Okay, so you counted all the 10s, and what did you get when you counted all of the 10s?
40.
Okay, 40
And I had a 5 in the ones place.
and a 5 in the ones place.
So that's how I got my
And so that's how you got the answer. Okay, we have time for one more strategy that's different. Okay, so Harmony, what would you like to share?
Okay, so for 35, I took I did like how Haley did it, but I did it a different way. I still did the 17
Okay.
plus 2, but stacked up.
Okay.
So then I added the ones. It made 15.
So did it look like this?
Yeah, but with a plus. And then I added and it made 15. So I just took the 5, put 5 in the ones place. Then I put the and then I added all those up, and it made 3.
You added 2 plus 1.
And added all 3, then 1 plus 1 plus 2.
Let's think about this. 1 plus 1 plus 2.
Strike my answer out.
Okay, so you want to strike your answer out. Your answer was 35, and what would you like to change that answer to?
25.
A 45.
Can we strike out 31?
Okay, you want to strike out 31. Why?
That's mine. Because
You can strike mine out.
because when you strike, because if 33 is wrong and 35 is wrong, and if also there's a whole nother 10, it's no way it's gonna be 31. So we should cross out.
Okay, so are we in agreement with that?
I thought we were on 15
Okay.
plus 26. Yes.
Okay, but what about 46? We still have a 46 up here.
Okay, mine strike mine out too, because I know that's not right.
Okay, so why is your answer not correct?
Because I miscounted by 1.
So you miscounted by 1. And which place did you miscount?
I miscounted the ones.
You miscounted the ones place. So we can strike that one out too.
I'm fine.
And obviously we know that Harmony said that this answer was 45. So we have 2 other strategies that we use to get the answer 45. So we have 2 check marks. And are we all in agreement with 45? Yes, we are. Okay, so we are actually out of time. But for our closing today, we're moving it down here. And right here it says, take a look at all the strategies presented today. which one will you try tomorrow? Okay, so what's so fun about math is that we are able to use different strategies and still get the same answer. And now I know that there are some times that these different strategies, it may work better for me than it would for you, or it may work better for you than it would for me. But I want us to try different strategies. So what's a different strategy that you can try tomorrow? I want you to talk with your elbow buddy, and then we are going to have a discussion.
What yours is Emily Rose. I would use Emily's. And I also want
You see the one in black right there? I would use that one. When can you find? I can't see that word. Strategies that are alike. That's what we want to use tomorrow. Cause, and then what do we want to try tomorrow? What I want to try? The black.
Bum, 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 bum. Okay, so I heard a lot of great strategies that we're going to try tomorrow. And I want you to share out loud in front of the class. So I'm going to pick 3 people to share the strategy that we are going to use tomorrow. Yoretzi, I'd like for you to share.
I would use the strategy that Harmony and Haiti use.
Okay, so Yoretzi has decided to use the same strategy that Harmony and Haiti have used, and that is the traditional algorithm, where you just line the numbers up and you add them. So that's a great one. Why would you use that strategy?
It's more easier for me.
So you think that that's probably more easy for you. That's a good one to try. I can't wait to see how you do with that tomorrow. Haiti.
The teacher.
Okay, so you're going to try the T-chart. Why? Because you think it's easier? Why do you think that that's easier? So do you think the visual might help you understand the ones and the tens and what exactly is going on? Okay, that's a great one. Okay, and I'm going to get a boy. Jorge?
I want to use the Hades.
Okay, and you said that you want to use Hades strategy, which is what?
The one that goes down.
Down?
Oh,
What's that called?
I don't know.
Okay, well that is right. It is vertical, so that's good. Does anyone else remember what I called that? The traditional algorithm, correct. And so you want to use that, and why do you want to use that?
Because it's easier for me.
Okay, you think that that's easier for you. Okay, so we are done for today, boys and girls. So I'd like for you to go get a whiteboard, a marker, and an eraser and return it to the carpet. Good job, guys.